Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are safe and doing well. We all are stuck at home due to this pandemic and we can't afford to go to anywhere to celebrate our weekends. So I thought of arranging a small tea party at home itself, and we can't just think of a tea party without some baked items, be it cakes, muffins or anything else. So here I'm going to share with you a very yummy yet a guilt-free muffin recipe. I hope you'll be loving it. For making this recipe, I have taken 1.5 cup of gluten-free atta, half cup of yogurt, 1/4 cup of jaggery powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 4 medium-sized bananas. Also, I have taken some chopped dry fruits. Here I have used raisins, dates, peanuts, and pistachios. You can have any dry fruit of your choice. Also, we will be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. In the next step, I will be mixing the dry ingredients first. Baking powder goes in, and finally the salt. In the next step, I have added the jaggery powder and I will be adding the bananas. I will now add the yogurt and will be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. In this stage, I have added all the wet ingredients and will be giving it a nice mix. If you find your mix getting tighter enough, you can add little amount of water. So keep mixing it until you find a nice smooth paste out of it. In the final stage, we will be adding the dry fruits. Blend well all the dry fruits into your mixture. I have used my hands to do it since the mixture is little bit tighter. And finally, our mix is all ready to go into the oven. So meanwhile, when I am preheating my oven, I am greasing this tray with olive oil. You can easily use this kind of tray for making muffins. So you can see that I have completely greased my tray and now I'll be putting the cake mix into it. So my muffins are all ready to get into the oven. I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. So I'm giving a timer of 8 minutes and will be checking the muffins then. So we are done with 8 minutes and we will now be opening the oven and see how much our muffins are done. Put a knife inside. If nothing sticks, you will understand that you are done with your muffin. Now put the tray upside down to dish out your muffins. And see how easily it came out. It's extremely hot now. See how well it is cooked from inside. I would suggest you to add a handful of peanuts to it, which will give a nice tasty crunch to your muffin. Just see how tasty our muffin looks. Please try this at home. I'm sure it is definitely going to make you happy. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button so that if I post something here, it reaches to you first. Until next time, bye bye, take care.